Pinus female reproduction. Pinus female reproduction. The pinus female reproductions parts are called female cones. The female cones developed on the terminal part of the long shoots. Terminal part of long shoots. The female cones developed at the first year. They are containing pineapple-like structures. At the lower part of female cones, bracts are present. Above these bracts, megasporophylls are present. The megasporophylls are compactly arranged without any gap. At the second year, on the female cone, the megasporophyll leaves maintain small distance between the two megasporophylls. And at the third year, the megasporophylls are completely leave from each other. They maintain a large gap between the two megasporophylls. Means for the development of female reproductive, female cones need 3 years of time. At early year, first year, male cones are small in size, female cones are small in size. On these female cones, megasporophylls are compactly arranged without any gap. And at the second year, small gap present between the two megasporophyll leaves. They are present on the female cones. And at the third year, megasporophyll leaves are completely leave from each other. They maintain large gap between the two megasporophylls. At the third year of megasporophylls, we clearly identified each megasporophyll shows mainly two major parts. One is apophysis, second one is fertile part. Apophysis look like a needle-like structure and fertile part containing two egg-like structures on the dorsal side. The two egg-like structures are called ovules. These ovules are developed on the colorless leaf-like structures called ovuliferous scales. Ovuliferous leaves. The ovuliferous leaves are also called megasporophylls. Megasporophyll leaves. These type of megasporophyll leaves are present on the cone, female cone. If we observed female cone LS, the female cone shows central axis. Around the central axis, megasporophylls are spirally arranged. Each megasporophyll leaves containing at the lower part bract scale. Above the bract scale, large expanded space is present. On the terminal part of large expanded space is called ovuliferous scale. The ovuliferous scale's dorsal side, two egg-like or ball-like structures are present. The egg-like or ball-like structures are called ovules. If we observed ovule, the ovule containing integuments and nucellus. Integuments and nucellus. Integuments are three integument layers. One is inner integument layer, it is fleshy layer. Middle integument layer, the middle integument layer made by stony tissues called stony layer, and outer layer also fleshy layer. Around the ovule, integuments are three. Inner integument layer is fleshy integument layer. Middle integument layer is stony layer, and outer integument layer is fleshy layer. Below these integument layers, at early stage, nucellus is present. The nucellus is diploid condition. From this nucellus, at the micropylar region, one single cell or two cells or multi-cells act as a megaspore mother cells. The megaspore mother cell participated in the reduction or meiosis division to form megaspores. The megaspores develop into female gametophyte. The female gametophyte containing archegoniums at the micropylar region. Archegoniums at the micropylar region. The archegonium-like structures are developed in the female gametophyte. And above these female gametophyte, archegonial chamber is present. And above these archegonial chamber, pollen chamber is present. The pollen chamber containing pollen grains. Pollinated pollen grains are take rest 9 months of time in the pollen chamber. They are present at the micropylar region. Opposite of the micropylar region, the ovule part is called chalaza. It is the female reproductive system of Pinus. From these two female gametophytes called archegonium, female gametophyte containing archegoniums. The archegoniums are called egg cells. The egg cells are fertile with male gametes. to form diploid zygote. The diploid zygote present in the ovule. After fertilization, ovule convert into seed. So it is the development and structure of female reproductive system of Pinus.